Bullish AVAX value expectation is $28.96 to $83.49. Avalanche cost could likewise reach $20 soon. Bearish AVAX cost expectation for 2022 is $15.91. In torrential slide cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about AVAX to dissect the future development of the digital currency. Torrential slide current market status. The cost of torrential slide is $15.49 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $179,772,323 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, AVAX has diminished by almost 4.1% as of now. Besides, torrential slide has a flowing stock of 284,484,337 AVAX. Torrential slide exchanges digital money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, FTX, KuCoin, MEXC. What is torrential slide? Torrential slide is the local digital money of the Torrential Slide organization. AVAX was sent off in 2020. Torrential slide is an open-source decentralized blockchain for making dApps and tweaked blockchains. It is famously known as the winter-themed environment that holds AVAX, the red coin. AVAX tokens have three essential use cases. They, first and foremost, act as the exchange charge. They act as the key unit for all torrential slide subnets. Also, clients can stake AVAX and procure these tokens as remunerations. Torrential slide involves three interoperable blockchains with unmistakable functionalities and different subnets. The trade chain handles the exchanging exercises. The agreement chain implied for making dApps. The stage chain, implied for approving exchanges and keeping up with subnets. Torrential slide agreement convention is particular. It isn't totally founded on the verification of work or confirmation of stake. It works with a coordinated non-cyclic chart streamlined agreement. Eminently, the Snowman Convention, a piece of the Torrential Slide Agreement Convention, worth focusing on and implied for block creation. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2022. The above graph of torrential slide spread out a slipping triangle design. This example is many times viewed as a trait of a negative pattern. It is shaped by the upper pattern line that interfaces the highs and a level pattern line associating lows joins to frame a triangle. Assuming that the cost activity penetrates the lower support level, the negative pattern would be sustained. Generally, plummeting triangle design shows the inversion of an upswing or the continuation of the downtrend. Dealers definitely pay special attention to a huge breakout point. Presently, torrential slide is in the scope of $15.77. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of a VAX could arrive at the obstruction levels of $30.62 and $37.80. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of a VAX might tumble to $14.49. The diagrams show that torrential slide has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, AVAX could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $83.49 in like manner. In the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of torrential slide could plunge to nearly $15.91, a negative sign. Torrential slide value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of torrential slide is displayed in the outline underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of a VAX lies beneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of torrential slide is displayed in the graph above. Outstandingly, torrential slide cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. Right now, AVAX has entered a negative state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of a VAX whenever. In the interim, the overall strength file of the AVAX is 38.27. This implies that torrential slide is in an oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of a VAX might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Torrential slide value forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file of torrential slide. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of torrential slide. At present, the ADX of a VAX lies in the scope of 23.61, and in this manner, it shows a feeble pattern. The above outline additionally addresses the general instability list of torrential slide. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of a VAX lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of torrential slide is at 38.27, hence affirming a potential purchase signal. Examination of Avax with BTC, ATH. The beneath outline shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and torrential slide. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the value activity of Avax is like BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Avax additionally increments or diminishes separately. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern switches, torrential slide could likely accomplish $30 by 2023. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, torrential slide could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Avax could energize to hit $40 by 2024. Torrential slide value forecast 2025. In the event that torrential slide supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 7 years, Avax would energize to hit $50. Torrential slide value forecast 2026. If torrential slide supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Avax would energize to hit $60. Torrential slide value forecast 2027. On the off chance that torrential slide supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Avax would energize to hit $70. Torrential slide value expectation 2028. Torrential slide holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, Avax would hit $80 in 2028. Torrential slide value expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on torrential slide, it would observe significant spikes. Avax could hit $90 by 2029. Torrential slide value expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the torrential slide biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Avax for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Thus, torrential slide could hit $100 by 2030. And, with ceaseless upgrades in the torrential slide organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Avax. Hence, the bullish value expectation of torrential slide in 2022 is $83.49. Then again, the negative value expectation of torrential slide cost expectation for 2022 is $15.91. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the torrential slide biological system, the presentation of Avax would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $144.96 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $20 assuming the financial backers accept that Avax is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is torrential slide? Torrential slide is the local cryptography